going on, guys? Today we are back and it is Beautifort Moore here. As you guys saw by the title, we are gonna throw a pan of boiling water. Well, this is about to be boiling outside, and the air temperature was -2, and the wind chill is like -22. So yeah, let's see what happens. A quick little update. It's definitely boiling, so we're gonna put the lid on and take it outside. Guys, so after attempting this, it completely turned into ice. I thought it would turn into snow as soon as it left the thing. I think some of it did, but I thought all of it would. But I think it just immediately turned into ice, as you guys can see. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't exactly know what to do. So yeah, just be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and comment on what we should do in our next week's video, and hopefully we get some comments. So yeah, peace out.